Hi guys, I'm Soumya and I'm back again with another video. I hope you're all well and safe. If you are an old subscriber, then welcome back, and if you are new to this channel, then I make a lot of bookish content here. So if you are a book lover and a reader or would like to become one, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. So in today's video, I am going to show you my collection of bookish merch. As a reader and a book lover, I feel that it's fairly common for book lovers to have some bookish merch. Some people have a lot of bookish merch, some people have a few things only, but I feel everybody has something or the other that is not books but is related to books. It can be a mug, it can be a cushion cover, whatever. So in today's video, I'll show you my collection, and my collection is not massive or huge, but it's not that less as well. So I thought, why not make a video about it. I also get quite a few questions about my Funko Pops, and I'll show my Funko Pops in today's video as well. So I'll be showing you bookmarks, t-shirts, tote bags, Funko Pops and so on. So if you are somebody who loves bookish merch, then you should definitely watch this video. Now, I won't say that I'm collecting bookish merch that actively in the current times, but there was a phase when I used to buy a lot of bookish merch, and I'm pretty happy that I went through that phase, because when I look at these things, they make me immensely happy. So let's get right into the video. I'll start by showing you my Funko Pops collection. So here we have Rapunzel, Princess Jasmine and Cinderella. On the left is Rapunzel, in the middle is Princess Jasmine, and then on the right is Cinderella. Now these are obviously characters from storybooks, but Disney movies were also made on them, and these Funko Pops are based on those Disney movies. Now this is Anna from Frozen. Frozen is not a book, it's a movie, but it is part of the merch anyway, so I decided to include it in the video. This is Belle from Beauty and the Beast, which is a novel, but there is also an animated Disney movie. This is Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. Okay, so this is Merida from the animated movie Brave, and I don't think that there is a book on this, but there is a movie Brave, and I love the Funko Pop, especially the hair. It's so beautiful, and that's why I got it, and I'm showing you in this video because it is merch at the end of the day. So these are the Funko Pops of Bella and Edward from the Twilight series by Stephenie Meyer. So even though I outgrew the phase of loving Twilight, I still bought these Funko Pops because I wanted to pay tribute to that time when I did love the series. And I used to ship this couple so hard, so it was quite interesting for me to get them. These are the Funko Pops of Ron Weasley, Professor Dumbledore and Professor McGonagall. I really wanted to get Harry, Hermione and Ron, but I could not. I purchased the ones that were available. But that's not really that big of a problem because I like these characters as well, so I'm happy that I have them. I did end up getting the Golden Trio from Harry Potter series in another Funko Pop range. On the left there is Harry Potter with Hedwig. Then in the middle there is Hermione Granger. Then there is Ron Weasley with Scabbers. He is also holding his broken wand. This is Daenerys Targaryen from Game of Thrones. I got this Funko Pop way before the last season of the TV series came. I'm still waiting for the next books in the book series. So this is the time turner that came in this beautiful case from the Harry Potter series, and I really love it. So I'll show you the time turner properly now. So as you can see that there are hooks on the lid of this case, which is why the time turner stays in its correct position and it does not get entangled and it stays safe and nice. So I like that about this case a lot. There is a lot of system here, so I appreciate it. If only this was real. So now I'll show you Harry Potter's wand. So it comes in this really solid cardboard box, and I think it's really pretty and quite safe to keep the wand as well. So now I'll take the lid off, and as you can see, this is the inside, and this is how the wand is kept in the box. I love it. It's velvety. I really like it. I really like the entire look of this. It's kind of regal, and this is what the wand looks like. And this is the Felix Felicis potion pendant from Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. And this is a little golden snitch pendant from the Harry Potter series, and I absolutely love it. Next up is Rowena Ravenclaw's diadem pendant. Well, I got sorted in the Ravenclaw house, and that's why I love Ravenclaw's merch especially more, and this is my absolute favorite merch out of everything I own, and I think it's quite lovely. I never really wear it outside, but I'm really tempted to do that. This is the Philosopher's Stone pendant from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. My Just One More Chapter bookish pendant. Now this is something that every book lover can relate to, and I think this is really simple and beautiful at the same time. This is my Time to Read pendant. It looks like a clock as well as a key. It's kind of old now, but I think that only adds to its beauty. I Can Never Have Too Many Books notebook. So this is what it looks like from the inside. It has ruled pages, and this is a doodle notebook. This is my What Would Hermione Do notebook, and I got it from the Sold Store website. It's quite a thin notebook, and this is what it looks from the inside. One side is plain, the other one is ruled. It's not that visible on the camera, but that's how it is. This is my maroon Mischief Managed t-shirt, and as you can see I wore it in one of my videos as well, and it was for INR 500. This is my The North Remembers Game of Thrones t-shirt that I got from the Sold Store website, and I really love it, and this was for INR 599. This is my I Solemnly Swear That I Am Up to No Good t-shirt dress, and I'm wearing it in one of my videos as well. I got it from the Sold Store website for INR 699. I got this t-shirt in a book box sent by Fiction Crate, and I don't know how much it cost, but I really like it. The material is very good, and the quote is, "A book a day keeps reality away." Another t-shirt I got from the Sold Store, I wore it in one of my videos as well. It says "It's Leviosa, not Leviosa" by Hermione. It was for INR 499. My Ravenclaw t-shirt from the Sold Store, and as you can see I wore it in this picture, and it was for INR 499. Next up is this Ravenclaw pajama set that I absolutely love. I have a lot of Ravenclaw merch. So this is A Girl Has No Name tank top from Game of Thrones. This was spoken by Arya Stark. She's one of my favorite characters, and I love this tank top. This is my Mulan tank top. Now Mulan is a movie and not a book, but this is part of my merch collection, so I'm showing it. So this is my I Like Big Books and I Cannot Lie tote bag. This was for INR 100, and I used it as well, as you can see in the clip, and I got it from Sarojini Nagar, so that's great. So I got this tote bag in the JCB Prize for Literature book box that they sent me, and it has a quote as well in the back, and I'll show you. This quote says, "Reading is a conversation with the universe." So this is my Mischief Managed backpack, and you can see I used it in the picture as well, and this is good for carrying little things or books. Nothing too heavy, but it's really pretty and I really love it. So this is, after all this time, Always cushion cover that I got a long time back, and I don't even remember how much it was. I think it was around 400 to 500 rupees, I guess. So this is the reading light that came in the book box sent by the JCB Prize for Literature, and yeah, this is how it is used. Now I will show you my bookmark collection. Now these are all the bookmarks that I have, but I'll show you a few of them that I feel are worth showing. Anyhow, it's a really small collection. You guys asked about it, so I'm going to show you. So first I'll show you this set of bookmarks. Guys, I got this a really long time back. This is ancient history, almost like 9 to 10 years back from trade fair. These are Indian themed bookmarks made on handmade paper, and I've preserved them till today because I really like them. As you can see, there's Om, there's Shlokas, there's Ganeshji. So this is a set of 4 travel themed bookmarks that I got in a book box, and one can easily argue that they look like postcards, so that is what makes them stand out for me. So this is a hand painted bookmark, and it has a quote, "To be a good writer, you have to be a good person." This is from the book Half the Night is Gone by Amitabh Bakshi. This bookmark is simple yet beautiful, and I love that book, by the way. Next up is this really cute bookmark that I got from Delhi World Book Fair from the Penguin stall, as is quite obvious. Their logo is penguin. I love penguins as well. I watch a lot of penguin videos. Next up is this handmade bookmark again. It has the quote, "Silence on a tropical island is the relentless sound of water." This is from the book Latitudes of Longing by Shubhangi Swaroop. Next up is the bookmark that says Gyanam Amulya Masti in Sanskrit. It means knowledge is invaluable. It came with a review copy, The Genius of Indraprastha by author Harshvardhan. I really love this bookmark. And then finally this bookmark that I made myself. I drew it and then I painted it. I looked this picture up from Pinterest and I did this to relieve my stress and it really worked. This is a Harry Potter themed bookmark. I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. There is a wand and some flowers. I'm not a particularly artsy person, but from time to time I do like to draw. And finally, I'll show you two plushies that I own. First one is this Pucca plushie. Now, Pucca is a cartoon. It's not a part of any storybook or anything, but this is a part of my merch collection. And I've said this before in the video as well. If it's part of my merch, I'm showing it to you. So I really like it. It's really cute. And this is a Mulan plushie that I think is super adorable. So that's it. That was my video of my collection of the bookish merch that I own. There you have it. I had a great time making this video. It took me a bit longer than the other videos because I had to show quite a few items, but I loved it. So I hope you liked watching it. If you did, then do give it a like and leave a comment. If you want to connect with me on my social media, then the links are in the description box. I'll be definitely back with my next video. So till then, please do take care of yourselves and stay safe.